Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez from Mas Greek Channel, a faith healer o sa mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of April 2025 for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey lamang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update ko. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manabalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Cancer. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay mo, Cancer? Yan ang ating mga gilap ngayong buwan na to ng April. So, let's see, guys. Ang gilapin natin, bubulabugin natin, Angel Spirit, please give me information pa. Okay, this is something a page of wands. May magandang balita na maaaring magulantang ka. Maaaring may mga bagay na malaman ka dito. There's something phone call messages, now in email. Let's see. And there's something guys with the King of Swords, not just being wise and being intelligent sa mga decision or gagawin mong action. Putulin mo yung mga bagay na alam mo hindi nagsiserve sa'yo. Yung mga bagay na hindi makakatulong sa'yo, may nalaman kang balita. No, itong balita na to, maaaring kailangan maging matalino ka daw dito, na kailangan mo raw maging mawais. No? Parang sinasabi dito na, kailangan mo mag-decision kung di aagawan ka ng spotlight. Ganon. And this is something that Queen of Pentacles, just being practical, and there's a good sense magdating sa entrepreneur. Na ibig sabihin dito, kailangan maging mature ka na how to handle your money, the source of income, even your salary. Let's see what is additional messages. And this is something guys with an 8 of Pentacles, just focus sa ginagawa mo and being dedicated sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. No? So let's see, additional messages. So there's a wheel of fortune, there's something good luck guys. So there's something destiny is yours, maaaring papabor na sa iyong sitwasyon. Maaaring iikot na ang bagong kapalaran para sa iyo. There's something a blessing and this is something a fulfillment and wishes coming true. Let's see. Sa madaling salita, swerte. Now, and this is something guys with a 5 of Pentacles and reverse, something financial crisis, but definitely something reverse, so it means there's something of freedom for financial crisis. No? Magkakaroon ka dito ng parang paglaya, no? Pagdating sa kagastusan, makakabayad ka na ng mga utang, ng mga bayarin, or mga hinuhulugan. Let's see what is the Page of Wands. What is the Page of Wands? Represent with the 3 of Pentacles for collaborations, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, may magandang balita dito, kailangan mo ka makipag-communicate na maayos, makipag-socialize na maayos. What is the King of Swords? The King of Swords represents with 2 of Swords. There's a decision that you need to make. So, kailangan mo mag-decision dito na kailangan mo maging wise, maging matalino, maging listo, no? At maging practical, no? How to cut this cord na nagbibigay negatibo sa sitwasyon mo. What is the Queen of Pentacles? Represent with the Strength card. No, confident. Kailangan lakas mo ang loob mo. Maging mature ka, no? Pagdating sa pag-handle ng pera. No, kailangan mo lakasan ang loob mo, maging matapang ka. Hindi ka dapat dito parang inosente. No, dapat sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo dito ngayon maging mature ka na, kaya para hindi ka mabudol or hindi ka maabuso. What is additional messages with the 8 of Pentacles? Represent with the Death card. So this is something guys with the ending and the beginning. May mga bagay na matatapos sa yung kontrata mo, matatapos sa yung trabaho mo, magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula, no? At panibagong pag-asa, no? Let's see what is the Wheel of Fortune. Represent with the 4 of Pentacles, 4 of Cups, sorry. There's something 4 of Cups, may re-evaluate or analyze. May mga bagay na kailangan pag-isipan dito. No, kailangan iklaro mo No, dahil magiging maganda na kapalaran mo dito bago ka mo tanggapin yung isang opportunity, maging aware ka. Let's see what is the Five of Pentacles in reverse. Represented with the Knight of Swords. No, there's a success driven, no? May mga bagay na magtatagumpay ka, magiging mabilis ang extend at magiging mabilis ang ikot ng kapalaran sa'yo. No, parang dati lang, naguguluhan ka, nahihirapan ka pagdating sa finance. This is something, guys, with financial freedom. Talagang makakalaya ka na from this bangungot. What is the page of Wands? Because the Three of Pentacles. Reference with the Seven of Swords. There's a sneakiness cheating lying on you. Maging aware ka, guys. Kung sinasabi sa'yo dito, may magandang balita, no? At ito magandang balita na ito, kailangan makipag-communication na maayos, makipag-socialize. Dahil kung hindi, there's a Seven of Swords with a sneakiness cheating lying on you. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, baka maagawan ka ng spotlight, no? Maagawan ka ng opportunities. What is the King of Swords? The Two of Swords. Represent with a Page of Swords. So, being curiosity. Tuklasin mo, kilalanin mo, alamin mo, no, yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo. No, kailangan, alam mo yung disadvantage and advantage ng bawat sitwasyon. What is the additional messages with the Queen of Pentacles and of course the Strength card? Represent with the Empress card, River. Self-love, self-care. So, kailangan talaga may sarili mo, maging matapang ka. Kailangan palaban ka dito. No? Hindi ka dapat bumabase sa mga sasabihin ng iba. Magkaroon ka ng, kumbaga, sariling disposisyon. Sariling desisyon. What is an Eight of Pentacles? Of course, the Death card. Represent with the Ten of Wands, something burden. Matatapos na talaga yung mga bigat, obligasyon, pasanin, dyan sa trabaho mo, sa negosyo mo. No? It will become a transformation for you guys na maaaring matapos na lahat ng mga bagay na yan. What is the Wheel of Fortune? Because the Four of Cups. Represent with the Six of Cups, no? Pag-isipan mo mabuti yung bawat eksena dito, guys, no? Bago mo tanggapin yung isang offer, kailangan pag-iisipan mo. This is something the Six of Cups with a past person coming back. May taong babalik from the past, no? Para lokohin ka at, kumbaga, at tignan kung hanggang saan ka magiging marupok. No? Kung sinasabi dito na maaaring pumabor sa sitwasyon, kaya kailangan maging mautak ka dito. What is the Five of Pentacles in reverse because the Knight of Swords? Reverse with the Ace of Swords with the breakthrough. Na magtatagumpay ka, magkakaroon ka ng mental clarity dito and mental shift. Na babaguhin yung kaisipan mo dito. Let's see what is additional messages for the outcome. There's an Eight of Wands. So there's a past communication and past movement. There's something trouble, guys, and transactions coming in for you, and also there's the trouble, guys. No, magta-trouble ka talaga. Additional messages. Represent with the Two of Cups, with a partnership. Go. So, guys, may kakaroon ka dito ng partnership. No, there's something, guys, with a unconditional love, no? Kumbaga, inaalagaan nyo isa't isa, kumbaga, nagkakaroon kayo ng curse sa isa't isa, pero there's a no label. Oh, let's see. Not, baka magkaroon to ng, kumbaga, label na, no? Magkaroon ng something meaningful sa inyong dalawa. And there is something, the Four of Swords, something rest. So, kailangan mo ipahinga yung utak mo. No? Nagkakaroon ka ng sleepless night dito that because of over-fatigue. Let's see what is additional messages. And there's a time for a kalma. So, marunong ka kumalma daw dito. There's a perfect timing coming in for you. No? At huwag ka iwasan mo maging aggressive sa mga decision or gagawin mo action. So, let's see. About naman tayo sa finances and career. For finances and career, represent what? Represent with a Star card. Ooh. There's a something of recovery and healing. No? Pagdating sa finances. And this is something, the Three of Swords, no? Ibig sabihin dito, maraming naiinggit sa paligid mo. Maraming naiinggit sa'yo. And there's a Lovers. No, wag ka mag-alala, meron talagang related about sa love life para sa dito. Magkakaroon ng partnership. Now, let's see what is additional messages about naman sa love life. Sa love life naman, there's something that the Nine of Pentacles with the blossoming. No, maaring very faithful to person mo. Very loyal and faithful. Na maaring, kumbaga, magiging maganda na ang iyong pagsasama. And there's a King of Pentacles in being secure. No, secure siya masyado. At talagang magtitiwala ka talaga sa kanya dahil ayaw niya masira ang iyong relasyon. Okay, pasabog ka dyan. Additional messages, guys. And there's something, the Five of Pentacles, Five of Cups. Something regret, no? May mga pagsisisi, panghihinayang dito, but this is something, accept the fact, no? May mga bagay talaga na gano'n talaga, no? There's something na kailangan talaga tanggapin, no? May nasasayang, or else, don't miss this opportunity. What is additional messages? No? Pagdating sa health. Pagdating sa health, there is a Nine of Pentacles. No, there is something practicality, security, and there's something the Three of Cups. No, there's something with happiness. No, maging masaya ka, no, sa buhay na meron ka. Ibig sabihin dito, may mga nararamdaman ka. Kailangan mong enjoyin sarili mo. No, kailangan mong libangin yung sarili mo dito. There's a tower moment for a major changes. Malaking pagbabago sa kalusugan mo. No, depende ito sa actions mo. Kailangan mo rin ng magsaya, no? Masyado na seryoso yung buhay na tinatahak mo. No, ganun talaga. At the age of 30 plus ang pataas, nagkakaroon ka ng serious matter, guys. No? So, let's see what is additional messages for a yin and yang oracle card. Represent what? What is the yin and yang oracle card? Represent? There's an ancestor, guys, no, with an alchemy. So, it means, meron ka dito mga gabay, no, na gumagabay sa'yo, no, na mahal sa buhay, and na yumao, no, namatay na yumao na ginagabayan ka. And there's an attraction that you are being attracted to anyone. No, it's either gustuhin ka, or maaaring malakas ang karisma mo o atake mo, and there's a decision that you need to make. So, kailangan mo rin mag-decision dito, and this is something a transformation, malaking pagbabago na mangyayari sa buhay mo. What is additional messages for synchronicities? Where synchronicities represent what? Represent with a magician for manifestation. Na may mga bagay na unti-unti mo na ma-manifest. And there's a sorrow, guys. Iwasan mo yung mga drama. There's a something drama alert. No, iwasan mo mag-drama. No, it's very negative, guys. No, na-attract mo yan. And there's a gather. No, magiging maganda na ang sitwasyon mo dito. No, parang lahat ng mga bagay na ito ibabagsak mismo sa harapan mo. What is the transformation? Represent with a joy, na magiging maligaya ka this time. Na malaking pagbabago na magaganap sa buhay mo na magsisilbing kaligayahan mo. Let's see what is the magical prayer messages. And there's a new home. Magkakaroon ka din ng bagong bahay dito, ha? Bagong tahanan. One more card, please. And this is something, guys, we do some research, no? Kailangan tuklasin, aralin mo yung sarili mo. No, kailangan libangin yung sarili mo sa ibang bagay. No, para hindi ka malungkot. No? And this is something, guys, with a decision and gather. Represent, guys, with a pregnancy. Some of you guys magbubuntis, or some of you guys, no, magkakaroon ng mga blessing coming in for you. No, magkakaroon ka ng mga magagandang kapalaran dito. And new beginning coming in for you. Let's see what is additional messages for the Mystic Love Oracle deck. And there's something legal matters. So some of you guys, no, meron ditong usapin about sa legal issues. No, it's either divorce, no, meron naman ditong separation, annulment. And this is, guys, there's something not committal with something independent. No, some of you independent ka naman pagdating sa relationship. And there's a snake. May ahas talaga na may traitor. So, wag ka nagtitiwala basta-basta. Let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. For Archangel Michael messages for you. Represent with a guarded and protected, no? Pinoprotection at pinapangalagaan ka dito ng ating mga gabay. And this is something, guys, it's time to live down a healthy situation. Kailangan mo na makalaya sa hindi maganda sitwasyon. Let's see what is the angel's answer. Represent what? One more card, please. Okay, one more card. Okay. And there's a no need to worry. You know, hindi mo kailangan mangamba. No, magpatuloy ka na sa ginagawa mo, and this is be assertive. Dapat alam sa sarili mo yung grounds mo. And because this is something unlikely, may mga bagay na hindi mo magugustuhan, ganun talaga, kailangan mo magpatuloy sa ginagawa mo. No, hindi mo kailangan magpa-distract sa mga taong nasa paligid mo na hinuhusgahan yung bawat action na ginagawa mo. What is additional messages? Yung tinitingnan nila yung pagkakamali mo, tinitingnan nila yung kamalian mo. Maraming ganyan, guys. No? Yung feeling perfect. No? Feeling perfect. No? Masyadong perfectionist. And this is something, guys, with a new earth. No? It's happening. Keep holding the vision. Nangyayari na to. No? Kaya, panghawakan mo to, guys. And of course, this is something, guys, with the rock open, nor surrender to the alchemy of life. No? Kailangan mo ng pakawalan at bitawan yan. Hayaan mo siya malantad ng kusa. No, bibigyang mukha yan para malaman mo ang kahalagahan ng mga bagay-bagay. With the romance angel represent what? And there's a romantic feeling. So, some of you guys, no, explore mo lang yung pag-ibig na yan, no? Parang nasa-sense ko na kailangan mong haritin yung partner mo. And this is something very soon. Napakalapit na para matupad yun na yung pangharap niya sa isa't isa. Ay, pasabog. Let's see what is the chakra messages. And there's an expansion. See, I told you. Magkakaroon kayo ng expansion pagdating sa love life, sa career. And there's a trickery. Mag-ingat ka lang sa mapanlin lang. No, meron ditong lilinlangin ka, lolokohin ka. And there's something completion. Huwag mong hayaan mahuli ang lahat. No? And there's a recovery, guys. Makaka-recover ka na from this scenario. Makaka-recover ka na for these situations. What is additional messages? And there's a guilt. Some of you guys, may taong nagagalit talaga sa iyo. Ang taong naiinis. And there's an guilt, no? Some of you guys, no, tina-target ka rin about sa kalusugan mo. Or some of you, kailangan mo mag-pay attention sa kalusugan mo dito. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And this is something is with an expansion with the inner self. Na mas palawakin mo yung sarili mo dito. Sa lahat ng mga bagay na kailangan mong alamin, tutunan, no? And there's an empowerment with a perseverance. Kailangan mo magtiyaga sa ginagawa mo, kailangan mo mahalin yung ginagawa mo, kailangan mo lang lakasan ng loob mo na magtagumpay sa ginagawa mo. And this is something hotor with a balance, no? Elemental kingdom. So, kailangan mo maging balance, guys, sa lahat ng bagay. Let's see what is Arcang Herapael messages. Represent with increased energy. Napalakasin mo ang enerhiya mo na magawa mo lahat ng mga bagay na kailangan mo gawin. Your missions, no? There's something in vision and missions ako na sense dito. Let's see what's additional messages. And there's an options, no? Gawin mo yung mga bagay or choices mo sa buhay, no? Kung hindi ito mag-work ngayon, no? Meron kang backup dyan na plans, so gawin mo yung bagay na yon. And there's something body works, no? Kailangan mo na massage, exercise. Kailangan palaban ka dito, kailangan laban na laban ka. No? Hindi dapat duwag, kailangan palaban. What is the energy represent what? And there's a strategy. Ito yung sinasabi ko strategy na kung hindi mag-work yung plano mo ngayon, kailangan may backup plan ka. No, there's a lot of choices and multiple choices na coming in for you na kailangan na handa ka. What is the energy represent what? And there's a patient. Kailangan mo rin habaan ng pasensya mo. At magkaroon ka ng balance. There's an angel of balance na hinahatid sa yung balance. Dahil magdadala sa ito at magbubukas ang pintuan para sa malalaking halaga. And there's a door to the value. Maraming salapi ang paparating. No? Kaya kailangan maghanda ka. What is the Monsology represent what? And nothing yet set in stone. No, may mga bagay na hindi pa napapanahon ngayon. And this is something, a new start is coming dahil magkakaroon ng bagong simula. 'Di ba? Ibig sabihin na sa exciting part ka na ng sitwasyon mo. For Jesus' loving quote said, painit ng painit yung sitwasyon mo dito, guys, kaya maghanda ka. Well done and do good and faithful servant. So, tinatapos na ng ating Panginoon. Kaya, maging matapat at maging tapat naman nilingkod ka sa Kanya dahil eto na, tapos na ang laban, ipinagkakaloob na sa'yo ng ating pong may kapal. So, let's see what is an angel's number represent what? Angel's number represent with an 0440 with a gut feeling. Follow your gut. It's more than just a feeling. Be real with the people and focus on a meaningful relationship. And of course, you also must bring value to the table, treat others with respect, or else karma will bite your ass. It is the crown. So see, kung kailangan makinig ka sa gut feeling mo, Lahat may mga tao dyan sa paligid mo na malalaman mo kung ano ba talaga yung plano nila sa'yo. Ano ba talaga intention nila sa'yo. No? Lahat ng mga bagay na ipapasilip sa'yo. Lahat ng mga bagay na ipapakita sa'yo. Lahat ng mga bagay na yon ipapaalam sa'yo. Lahat ng mga bagay na ipaparamdam sa'yo. Na kaya kailangan handa ka dahil nandito ka na sa exciting part ng buhay mo. So let's see what is the messages of life. Represent what? Ang messages of life represent remain in the light. Ito na, matatili ka sa liwanag, no? Kumbaga, ano mang kadiliman na nararanasan mo or nararamdaman mo sa ngayon, kumbaga, unti-unti mo mararamdaman na ang kaliwanagan dyan sa puso at isip mo. Today, I observe, I take time to think calmly and wisely, I go forward with a complete confidence, knowing I will succeed. No matter what happens today, I will remain in the light. I will maintain my faith and my equilibrium. In this way, I nurture my soul and become a strong and steady representative of the light. So see, alam mo sa sarili mo na kailangan mo lang lakasan ng loob mo, maging matapang. Dahil lahat ng mga bagay nito, alam mo sa sarili mo, magiging matagumpay at mapagtatagumpayan mo. Kaya kailangan bigyan mo ng lakas ng loob at tapang yung sarili mong humarap, no, sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo. Dahil yung bagay na kinakatakutan mo, yan ang magsisilbing kalakasan mo tungo sa kaliwanagan at magandang landasin na tatahakin mo. So guys, this is the monthly gabay for the month of April 2025 for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a reading lamang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And notification bell for more videos, updates. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumabo ng biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!